Hello everyone, I'm Bianca. In previous episodes of Than Mandarin, we celebrated many meaningful days together, such as Children's Day, 儿童节, Youth Day, 青年节, Women's Day, 妇女节, etc. Today marks a special occasion as we celebrate Seniors' Day in China, also known as the Double Night Festival, or 重阳节. 重阳节 falls on the 9th day of the 9th month on the lunar calendar. In Chinese culture, number 9 symbolizes longevity, so this day carries the meaning of wishing seniors a long and healthy life. It is an occasion to express our respect and appreciation for the elderly, often referred to as 老年人 in Chinese. The term 老 means old, while 年 means year or age, and 人 means people. So 老年人 translates directly into old age people or simply seniors. According to World Health Organization, 1 in 6 people will be aged 60 or over by 2030. That means more countries are now facing major challenges in getting ready for an aging society. With a senior population of 280 million, China is also making great efforts to ensure that the elderly can be well respected, taken care of, and supported, and has been promoting programs for the elderly. 让所有老年人都能有一个幸福美满的晚年. Let all elderly people enjoy a happy and fulfilling twilight years. Over the past decade, China has been building a community-based elderly care service network. As of the end of 2022, it had established a total of 380,000 elderly care service institutions and facilities nationwide, offering over 8 million beds. Also in China, healthy senior citizens are encouraged to take part in social activities as they bring valuable experience and wisdom to society. Substantial efforts have been made to support seniors in their quest for happiness and fulfillment, and in pursuing their hobbies, with the establishment of more than 55,000 learning centers for the elderly. Late adulthood marks an important stage in life, where one can continue to make progress, contribute, and find happiness. Let's wish all the senior citizens a happy Double Night Festival. 重阳节快乐!